So this first branch, what would the first branch be on? Look at the board.
The first branch would be the celiac artery.
Celiac artery. The second branch would be what? It goes into the mesentery proper.
The superior mesentery.
The superior mesenteric. Okay, so remember mesentery proper, superior mesenteric. You keep going down, you find what that goes into the kidney.
The renal.
And then which artery leads into the colon? Look at the board.
Iliolumbar? No.
Inferior mesenteric.
Inferior mesenteric. Okay. And then on the dorsal body wall, we file our iliolumbar. It's been cut off. It's right here. It's plaqued on the dorsal body wall. So let me start from the beginning. So from the top of the arch of the heart, you follow it all the way down. You find the abdominal aorta. It goes all the way down. The first branch is the celiac artery. Second branch, we have the superior mesenteric going into the mesentery proper. Right here, we have our renal artery going into the kidney. We find our inferior mesenteric going into the colon. We find our iliolumbar on the dorsal body wall. If we continue down, we find our external iliac. So our left and our right. And then internal, let's see, because this is the vein. Okay, I'll show you internal on that side. And then we have our femoral and the thigh of the cat. And then the cat's not dissected at the knee. Okay, so let's look at the other cat.
It's a good.
Oh my god! Sorry.
I know, right?
All right, so the abdominal aorta in the center. Oh, I don't see celiac, so celiac's been cut off. See, celiac. And then what would this one be?
The superior
Mesenteric. It goes into the small intestine, mesentery proper. And then this one leading into the kidney.
It's renal.
Renal, good. Does he have one leading into the colon? Let's see, there's none connected to the colon.
Oh my gosh, they cut him up.
Yeah, see? So it's been cut off, the inferior mesenteric. But he does have a good iliolumbar. You see how tiny it is? It's plaqued on the dorsal body wall. So you can't move it. It's on there. Now here's the intersection that I was referring to. Okay, so you have your left external iliac, your right external iliac, your left internal iliac, and your right internal iliac, okay? If you continue down, you'll find the deep femoral. You know it's deep femoral because it's going into the pelvis region. So it's going this way. When you leave deep femoral, you found femoral. Going down the thigh. And then when we get to the knee, it splits into three. So you have your superior articular, popliteal going towards the back of the knee, and then saphenous. This will go all the way down. If it was dissected, you would see that it leads all the way down the leg.
So it's kind of like the brachial of an arm.
Yeah. With the leg, but yeah. Let's see if we can see it on this side. So we have femoral, superior, popliteal, saphenous. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So do you want me to do it again, or another group is gonna come? And again, one more time.
One more time.
Okay, one more time. Okay.
One more time.
All right. So the abdominal aorta, you just follow the aorta all the way down. Okay. So it's the center artery. This would be the celiac trunk, but obviously it's been cut off. But it's the first branch. The second branch goes into the mesentery proper. Okay, so it's called the superior mesenteric artery. The artery that leads into the kidney, we call this the renal. If you keep going down, you'll find iliolumbar plaqued on the dorsal body wall. Then we have our intersection. So we have our left external iliac, right external iliac, left internal iliac, right internal iliac. If you leave externals, you find deep femoral, and it goes into the pelvis region. When you leave deep femoral, you find femoral going into the thigh. And then you find the intersection at the knee. So you have the superior articular, popliteal going towards the back of the knee, and then saphenous going all the way down.
Okay.
I think the only one we didn't see on here was the inferior mesenteric. So that's the one that leads to the colon. So it would be this one right here. That's going in. That goes into the colon. Okay. And that's it for lower arteries.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.